First open a browser, then search for Lightshot. Download from PC, my PC is Windows, and I download Windows. If your this is Mac, then you should download Mac. Apps is downloaded and HTTP. Okay, let's type next. Now you can see the light shot icon is a name in the hand. When you take a screenshot, just click on the leaf, click, then you can see I can select the area I want to uh, take snapshot. I select this area. I can modify, customize, size, area as I want. And for example, I select this area. Now we can see there have some listen. There have a pen. We can write or mark anything we want. And then have arrow. We can use arrow. We can another arrow. Then there is a rectangular box. We can select the box. We can change the color of pen by here. Here in the text, we can write here anything I want. Paste. Then here have some we can save into Google Cloud. Google. Then we can share. Then we can print the snapshot by this button. Then after this button, using this button, we can copy the snapshot and send anywhere. And this is the final button is for save the document.